Our meat birds are ready to harvest, and we are hoping to start some this weekend. So we're gonna start prepping and getting things ready. We're gonna start with these guys right here, our roosters. You see the roos? They have the red comb and they're bigger. So we're gonna start processing those first, and then we'll probably let the girls go another week or so and let them get a little bit bigger. Since our bear attack, we got 2 trail cams. One we keep on video, one we keep on photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these ready for tonight. So this one we have set up on this grill pointing towards the backyard to try to catch anything walking up from the trees. And this one we have over here pointing at the meat birds so we can see if anything messes with them during the night. It's my first time ever growing potatoes, for one, and I was trying to reuse these dog food bags. There are pros and cons to this, and I may not do it again. The con is that, like, I guess you can see it better on this one. So I did, let's see if I can show you. Sorry, I just totally stuttered my words. Okay, let's see. Here we go. So you can see that one coming up there. I have one coming up here. I have one coming up here. So I tried to plant them in all the corners, but like this, like there's one side that's not getting, I don't think, enough sun or something, and like the soil's breaking up. These are doing better. Potato, 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 potato. Again, nothing on this side. This one is gigantic. Look at that. And so and then this one's super tiny. So the idea was, as these grew like to this, I would fill in the dirt and roll up the sides and keep it going. But this one, I don't know, this one just grew so fast. Yeah. And these are still so tiny, I can't do that right now. No. Is that what you're saying? I can't do it? What do you think I should do?
Play with them.
Play with them?
Yeah, like those and those all over them.
Oh, yeah?
I just look at them.
Well, I don't think they smell. So back to the potatoes. So anyways, pros and cons to doing it this way. These were obviously reusable, so they were free.
My chicken.
This is a brand new piece of stainless steel. I mean, we just took all the plastic off.
Dang.
What?
There's one of those nails that
Oh. And all I have to do is clean it off, obviously, right before we eviscerate. But this is going to be our evisceration table. Kill section, evisceration section. We ordered these kill cones off of Etsy. I'll link them below in the description. I can't remember their name. But we got 4 medium-sized cones for a really good price.
56 bucks compared to 2 for like 80
Yeah,
bucks.
it was the best price we could find. And we love supporting small businesses and local makers or USA made makers. So this is going to be our kill section right here between these 2 trees. Time to move the birds. Do you know where you're going?
Straight back.
Back this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, he's not dropping it on their feet. They're okay. Look at them going nuts on this new grass. They love being moved every day. We move them, or Douglas moves them every single day. Because this is what they do. So that's just a little patch of where their water was, but everything else they pretty much destroy. So they love getting to their new grass. Now they see Douglas with the food. Y'all, these are the craziest chickens ever. They're absolutely crazy.
Nuts.
They are nuts. We also put some of this in their water. This is just apple cider vinegar with the mother, some garlic, and some oregano essential oil. And we just do an eyeball amount.
Breathe.
Second, you got, who'd you get?
Gandalf.
This is Gandalf that we named Gandalf before we realized, oh my gosh, we have all girl hens in here. Turn her around. So this is our female Gandalf. Isn't she pretty?
My dad couldn't even catch him.
Her. All right, put her back. She's hungry. Good job, buddy. You caught Gandalf. Giving them some new bedding when they start to get a little stinky, which is honestly once or twice a week. We give them a whole new layer of shavings. Can you believe how big they are? Our next major project is getting them out in a coop run area. But Douglas has to build it, and so it's just taking longer than what we would like. check out all of our blackberries that are in bloom. We're gonna have so many this year, but I'm either gonna be way too pregnant or I'm gonna have a newborn. So I don't know how much. I mean, look at all this is blackberry. All these are blackberries. All these white flowers you see are blackberries. Funny story, when we were trying to decide on a farm name, I was trying to think of things we had all, you know, around our property and all this, and I thought, oh, we have blackberries. Oh, Blackberry Farm. Oh, wait, there's already a really famous blackberry farm in Tennessee. Like, veto that one. I love all the flowers. Look, they're so pretty. Look at this. And then behind me, all the daisies there. Douglas is measuring something. I don't know what he's measuring down the driveway. And the kids are leaving me behind. I'm just waddling by myself. Look, but there's some more blackberries here. So we're gonna have blackberries down here. And then there's more right here on the side. There's more right here along the driveway. We did pick from these last year, I remember. But y'all, when they're ripe, it is so dang hot and humid. It's just not fun. But these are so pretty.